Hi friends, first of all thank you for watching and let's start the video. This topic is for each loop. For each loop previously I will explained so many topics and loops, arrays, conditions, data variables, data types and methods, objects. So many types of objects I will explain in previous class. Today class I will explain it for each loop. Very important topic in loops. And previously loops are well done: for loop, do will loop, for loop. I will for now I will explain for each loop, and I will so many topics explain. I'm providing description that videos. Will check it out, and thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. And for each is another array transferring technique like for loop, will loop, do will loop, introduced by Java 5. And it starts from keyword for like a normal for loop. Instead declaring the installation with counter variables, you declare a variable that is the some type of as the base type of the arrays, and followed by colon, which is the followed by the array name in the loop body. You can use the loop and loop variable you create rather than using index elements completely. Let's I will explain practically you understanding more, and let's start the practical way for each. And you first you create a one arrays, and after arrays creating int element my list and dot println. So print element is like a duplicate value. I will create one project, I will create one package. After I will create one class. That class is the PC001 for each loop. And enable to public static void and finish that, and create the and first of all I create that one string, any data type. I'm creating one string. This is equal to, and some names are there: Durga, Prasad, and Sona. Kadda. Some names. Why choosing error? Why are choosing error is double quotes, not like double quotes. That's the reason raising errors. That's the reason raising errors. Array is a very storing data, saving some data is storing, and create for string to the syntax is int element by list. That sorry, I will be providing string element. So okay, so we'll create some errors and int element on my list. Okay, some codes are there, and let's start the element. Control S. I will run it this for each loop. And Durga Prasad Chinna Peda and is creating and is printing order, and this is a very useful to saving the storage, and so many programs are there in real time. Some programs are creating so many data in integer, using another, using another, but we are creating so many lines, using so many lines. That is a very bad programming. That's a reason that problem overcome this array, and using array and for each is a very best loop. And first of all, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.